I want to share with you some things that are growing on in the garden pre-spring, if that's a term. So we have some Bok Choy here, and then I actually tried purple Bok Choy this growing season because I seen the price of it and I say, you know what, I can grow it myself, and I have absolutely been loving it. We actually underplanted some creeping thyme right under it, so it'll get bigger as the gardening season continues on. I want you to see the lushness of the oregano. We actually planted it in 2 areas and it's starting to put on some major growth, and I love it. The temperatures for us have been up and down, but every time I walk out here and look at this calendula, it just brings me so much joy because we use it in so many different ways here in our house. And if you're not following us on TikTok or Instagram, make sure you do, because we gave some tips on how to grow some great big onions. And then I want y'all to look at this picture because we're growing sweet peas, and after the flower falls off, it is like a treasure hunt trying to get the sweet peas off of them because they just kind of blend in with the plant. Beautiful color of flower, but just see how many sweet peas that you can spot growing. I always have a hard time trying to find sweet peas on this trellis. So most of our cilantro is starting to bolt and go to seed because we've had temperatures to reach as high as 89 degrees. And then the new variety of carrots that we are growing, I'll link the video that we did cooking from the kitchen. I love these carrots. They're like an ombre effect and they're really pretty. And then we have some thyme and pansies planted together, but as you can see, the thyme is starting to flower, which is beautiful. And then we have our kale bed right here. I'm hoping that it will put on some major growth so that we can also use it in some of our cooking dishes. As the weather starts to warm, our garlic is now putting on growth. We actually plant our garlic in the fall and let it overwinter, and now it's starting to put on some growth, which is great. This flower right here, we've started from seeds, but the coreopsis here, I'm really afraid I'm going to have to move it because at the heat of the day, it does not like it. And the Dusty Millers, this is a new variety that I love with really big, beautiful leaves. Don't you just love this color and this texture? And then my Johnny Jump Ups, y'all. I have started them from seed and I absolutely, positively love them. And we're going to use them to make some lotion bars with, as a matter of fact. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. If you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.